Hello students, our next topic is construct the FA that accept all the strings of A's and B's where each string containing number of B's divisible by 3. Where each string contains number of B's in the string number of B's divisible by 3. That is nothing but, so in the number of B's in this string should be divisible by 3. How to write divisible by 3? So when we divide by 3, should get what? Remainder 0. This we can call number of is congruent to 0 modulo 3. Also we can write number of is congruent to 0 modulo 3. So when we divide with 3, we will get remainder as a 0. For 0, for 3, for 6, 9, 12. For these all the numbers, when you divide with 3, we will get remainder as 0 or not? Yes. For 0 B's, 3 B's, 6 B's only will accept. 0 B nothing but initial state should be final state, you should understand. For 1 B if you get, should accept or reject? It is not divisible by 3, so should be reject. And if you get 2 B, it is not divisible by 3, so should be reject. Then if you get 3 A's, should accept. 3 B's or 3 B's accept. 4 B's reject, 5 B's reject, 6 B's accept. Like that is enough. Anyway, no restriction for A. I can repeat any number of A's here, any number of A's, no restriction at all. I hope you are getting all of you. Yes or no? Now simply whatever the remainder is there, that is going to be final state, ma'am. That is going to be final state, because we are interested to make, should accept what? Epsilon also, correct? Epsilon means 0 B. For 0 B also should accept nothing, that must be the final state. States, what are the states will get? 0, 1, 2 will get. 0, 1, 2. Like say 0 modulo 3 means 0 to 3, nothing but 0, 1, 2. Will get 3 states will get. Are you getting my point? 0, 1, 2. So 0, 1, 2. 0 will be the final state, you can understand. So note down this, all of you. Please note down, all of you. Thank you so much.